ever wondered how to keep your players engaged even when they're not playing? After hours of coding, I finally cracked the secret to making progress even when the game is closed. This simple mechanic completely changed how players keep engaged, allowing them to earn rewards without even thinking about it. This video is divided into two parts, adding an idle mechanic and creating a prestige system. Part 1, creating an idle system. I created a new empty object and named it Logic Manager, which then I planned on scripting the idle script in the game object. Because I am very dumb, I had no clue of how to make this offline earning script. So after a tiny bit of research, I found out you have to use player prefs. What are play prefs, you might be asking? Player prefs are a way of storing data in between playing sessions. So if I have 5 cookies and I leave the game, if I come back, I should have 5 cookies. But without player prefs, I would have 0. So I did what any other person would do. Ask ChatGPT. Control-C, Control-V. Nice. I tweaked the script a bit, and now let's see if it works. And as you can see, in the console, it printed how much points we earned. But points mean nothing if they aren't converted to asteroids, and let me tell you, this was not easy. So I did more tweaking with no ChatGPT used. Wink, wink. And after many centuries, I had finally made it work. Part 2, creating a prestige system. I duplicated the upgrade button and changed it to a prestige button. My idea was so that it would cost all of your asteroids, but you would gain star fragments and more asteroids per click. And the more you prestige, the more amount you would gain per prestige. I deleted the old script and added a new script called Prestige Script. Now this script wasn't that hard to script due to the similarities between this script and the other 2 upgrade button scripts. That's why I copy-pasted some parts from my other script into this one. Then I created a new function called Prestige. I assigned the function to the button and implemented a cost for the Prestige feature. I made it so that it displays if you don't have enough asteroids to prestige from another script, and this was looking not too bad. Let's test and see if this works. Everything seemed to be working perfectly until the asteroids stopped going up when I clicked. But at least the cannot buy text comes up. I fixed the issue and added the feature where you get star fragments from prestiges. No ChatGPT was used in this process. And after many hours of work and ChatGPT copy-pasting, it all boils down to this moment. Let's see if the script works. And it does. It works like a charm. If you want to see me suffer even more from the amount of errors that occurred in the previous parts, you can click here to watch them.